Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dead by Daylight. This thrilling game pits one powerful killer against four vulnerable survivors in a deadly cat-and-mouse chase. Survivors work together to repair 5 generators scattered across the map, powering up the exit gates. Meanwhile, the killer's objective is to find, hook, and sacrifice all survivors to the entity. Understanding these core roles is crucial for your first few matches. As a survivor, your main goal is teamwork and evasion. Focus on repairing generators, but be ready to run if the killer approaches. Utilize environmental objects like pallets and windows to create distance during a chase, buying time for your teammates. Remember to help your fellow survivors by unhooking them and healing their injuries, which also earns you valuable blood points. Communication, even non-verbally, is key to survival. Playing as the killer offers a different thrill. Your objective is to prevent survivors from escaping by finding and downing them. Each killer has a unique power, like the Trapper's bear traps or the Wraith's invisibility, which you must master. Once a survivor is downed, carry them to a sacrificial hook. Then, patrol the area to prevent other survivors from unhooking your victim, ensuring their demise. To truly excel, delve into the game's extensive perk system. Experiment with different perk combinations for both survivors and killers to find powerful builds that suit your playstyle. Familiarize yourself with various map layouts and generator placements. This knowledge gives you a significant advantage. Also, remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. A fresh car makes any journey better, even after a long night in the fog.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.